Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee with milk powder, only way. Use 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, 1 tablespoon of milk powder, and 180 ml hot water. Stir until smooth. Heat water just off boil, bloom coffee for 10 seconds, then add milk powder and mix vigorously for a creamy texture. Taste and adjust sweetness or milk powder for preferred richness. Measure ingredients precisely for repeatable results. 2 teaspoons coffee, 1 tablespoon milk powder, 180 ml water. Heat water to just off boiling for optimal extraction. Bloom the coffee briefly to release aroma, then add milk powder and mix until fully dissolved. Stir vigorously to create a smooth, creamy cup without lumps. Taste and tweak sweetness or milk powder level to suit your preference and strength. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. I use them to pack coffee supplies and snacks when I'm on the go, which pairs nicely with instant coffee prep. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now, let's get back to the video. Blooming the coffee releases flavor, so let a splash of hot water sit for about 10 seconds before adding the remainder. Dissolve milk powder in a small amount of hot water first to avoid lumps, then combine with brewed coffee. For a frothier finish, whisk briskly or shake in a sealed jar for 10 to 20 seconds. Adjust ratios to preference and enjoy a consistent, quick cup every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.